Hello, this is Peter, Old Man King Homestead. Today's Saturday. It was a warm day today. It's cooling down now. And we're going to have rain right straight through middle of next week. Well, I went refrigerator shopping this morning. I got back to the store that I went to yesterday. And they had sold a couple of the refrigerators that I was looking at. But I was able to find a nice Whirlpool. It's one of the ones I was looking at yesterday. So we got that one. Got that back home. And got that put in today. It's a really nice refrigerator. And Whirlpool refrigerators are made in the United States. Most of the refrigerators are made in Ohio. There's a few that they make in Iowa, but this one was made in Ohio. So it was good to get a refrigerator working again. It's cooling nicely. I've got some stuff in it now. I've got some more stuff that I need to put in it. But I got the stuff in there that more urgently need to be refrigerated. And I'll finish putting the rest of the stuff in tomorrow. Because getting the old refrigerator out and getting the new one in really didn't do my body any good today. I'm in some pain tonight. It's not serious. It's just one of those things where I know I did a little too much. So I just have to rest. And tomorrow I should be pretty good. This may linger on for another day. But I'm sure by Monday at the latest, I'll be back to normal. I want to thank the subscriber that sent me a donation in Cash App last night. I'm going to save that to use for Fluffy's appointment on Tuesday. I'm hoping that will cover her appointment. I've got some clips of the refrigerator in here. And I also put some clips of the animals in here. I hope you enjoy the video. Here's my new refrigerator. The old refrigerator is out. So now we're getting ready to move the new one in. My new refrigerator is in place. I'm going to put it to use now. As soon as I get through filming this, I'll be loading it up. It has a nice big freezer compartment. It's got a place to hook up an ice maker. Individual freezer and refrigerator controls. So I think this is going to work out nicely. Lots of room in the refrigerator. Glass shelves, so it's easier to see what's on the shelf below. And also they're easier to clean. And it's got glass shelf on top of the crisper trays, so you don't forget that you put something in there. Shoulder adjustable, lots of room in here. And there's 4 of these large trays on the door. And on the bottom is one big one. And these 4 are adjustable. So that is going to make it pretty handy. I'm very happy with this refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone the next time. Have a good one.